Greetings, the Astro 30 here yet again, and I've got another amplifier with a fault to look at, although the last one didn't have a fault. This one's fault is it basically has no output, and I'm assuming on both channels. Anyway, this is a Kenwood stereo power amplifier, basic M1A. The front panel is pretty sparse of any controls. All you've got is basically your power on off, speakers A and B, and a headphone socket. That's it. The back is not really all that exciting either. We've got a grounding post here and just the left and right inputs, and these type of connectors for your output. You turn it one way, put your wire in, and then clamp it. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of those style either, but it's a lot better than the banana screw ones. So apart from it being dirty and covered in dust, my initial thoughts on this aren't really very positive, because it uses two SDK amplifier modules for each channel. So yeah, if one of those modules has a bad output stage and it's putting DC to the output, and I'm assuming there's a DC protector relay in here, then it's not going to allow the amplifier to function, because it won't connect the speakers if there's DC present, and that would mean that one of those chips is damaged, if not both. And finding them now is kind of unobtainium. Good luck, in other words. So I don't really initially hold out much hope for this. However, I don't really know anything else about it except what I was told. And as I don't know anything about this amplifier, I'm going to connect it up to my dim bulb just for safety. I mean, I'm assuming it's safe to plug in the wall, but I don't know. It could have a shorted transformer or something. Who knows? So I'll get that set up and see what we can find out. Okay, the dim bulb is set up. I'll make sure that power switch is turned off. Alright, nothing unusual so far. Well, that is unusual. There is absolutely no power. Alright, this might be a more simpler fix than I was thinking. The guy's already taken the top off and had a look at see if it was a fuse, but I'm kind of really wondering now if we've got an open primary in the transformer, which would mean that it's all over for this amplifier. You'd definitely not be able to find a transformer for it, because it's an old E-core type. So I'll pop the top off and we'll have a look inside. Ooh. Alright, this is a good look inside the amplifier. It's pretty dirty. Here's our main E-core type transformer. And the mains comes in over here and then goes into this fuse here, which I can't really see at the moment whether it's blown. It's blown. It's a 1.5 amp fuse and it's blown. Looking for a screwdriver to extract it. Yeah, that's totally gone away. That really went with some gusto as well. As to why, I don't know. That's supposed to be a 3.15 amp. So I'll see if I've got a fuse that will fit in there. I doubt it. So we really need to know, why did the fuse blow? What I'll do with the power switch turned on is I'll measure the primary winding. Make sure that it's not like a complete dead short, which would indicate as to why the fuse blew. So I need to go across these two wires here. I was measuring across the wrong points. According to that, across the primary it's well over 700 kiloohms. So let me see if I can locate another fuse to put in there, and I'm still going to use it across my dim bulb just to make sure everything is, you know, hunky-dory. I don't know what fuse I've got, but it'll tell me whether or not this is actually shorted. Okay, so I've got a 3 amp fast blow fuse in there temporarily. I don't have like a 3.15. I think it's supposed to be a slow blow. But it'll do for a test. The dim bulb will limit any current if it's excessively drawing. Nothing happened. Well, yeah. That's definitive. The transformer is shorted. So that's the end of this amplifier. Unfortunately, I can't fix it. That's a shame, but with the dim bulb glowing brightly like that, yeah, that's the end of it. Oh well, that was a nice short sweet video. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. At least we found out what was wrong with it. Not much I can do about it. So yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to go down below, rate, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, well, I'll catch you in the next one. This is Yastro 3 saying see ya. Have a great day.